What's the meaning of continental? Continental. Continental.
Continental. Continental. The term continental refers to something related to a continent or continents in general, especially with regards to their physical geography, climate, or political boundaries. It can also refer to the cuisine, culture, or language of a particular continental region. The use of the term continental implies a certain level of distinction or differentiation from other regions or cultures. For example, a restaurant might offer continental breakfast options, which typically include bread, pastries, and coffee, as opposed to an American breakfast with eggs, bacon, and pancakes. Overall, continental suggests a broad, diverse, and potentially significant set of characteristics associated with a particular continent or region.